Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the online lecture of AutoCAD by Rana Mehtab Alam. Today we will learn about how to draw a roof for your house. So first of all, we will open our drawing and convert this drawing into top view and then 2D frame. So draw a rectangle by using the rect command or rectangle here. And shift this to isometric view. And now use the extrude command and select the rectangle and give the path according to your choice. I'm using here 6 double enter, and you can now select the shade here, and you can see that this roof is now this time you can use it as a floor. So I have to move this roof to make this floor as a roof. So use the move command select this object, right click and make this point as base. Click here, then click here, and you can see now the roof is ready, and we can see this by changing the view, that you can see a roof here. So in this lecture we learned about how to draw a 2D or 3D roof.